My name is Matteo Tironi. I am Italian, and I work in Nestlé Waters since 20 years old now. I work in so-called Nestlé Waters Europe region, zone, that now is almost about 17 factories that are producing mineral waters. And I work there as a maintenance coordinator. Basically, the idea behind is that we empower the people to be able to work in an environment with a lot of initiative and a lot of, let's say, information and good practice they can share. And by doing so, we are able to define new models and really to try to stay ahead. Basically, what we try to do is to be constantly update on what is the state of the art in the industrial fields, and in this case, in predictive maintenance as well. And we normally do this activity by looking at what in the center of our company is almost selected as an innovation solution that could be applied in the market. But from the other side, we need to manage the risk in a clever way. So we must assess the risk and to avoid to invent from zero everything. So basically then I think that in this way we can really manage in a more equilibrated way this implementation of this kind of solution that is the state of the art.